Hello everybody, today I got some new trains. This one came in the mail, not in the package. And I got the silver edition Percy, which they got come in the packages from Dad and Mom. And I want to thank them for a big clap. Thank you everybody. And now I'm going to preview opening silver edition Percy, which is already in the package. Gonna open the back. So hard. Dad, I need a bit of help.
Here, pull the plastic up.
Oh yeah?
Remember? There you go.
Cool.
Keep pulling. You got it. There you go. Oh, there's more.
Let's open this side up. Here we are, silver edition Percy.
Whoa.
Whoa. This one is a bit scratched, but
Why
this
is he
one,
silver?
because that's how he was made.
Why?
Because he's special edition.
What special edition?
Because he's new.
He's new, but what special edition is he?
He's a silver special edition.
Oh.
I have Thomas special edition and Percy special edition, but there's only one special edition I don't have, which is Bronze Diesel. I think I'll never get it.
You think he'll never get Bronze Diesel?
But if Mom finds it on eBay, Dad will get it in the mail. Promise, everybody.
Well, you want a super duper big surprise?
Yeah!
Get it, Dad.
Yeah!
Just a minute.
A Bronze
We'll be
Diesel.
right back.
Cool, I want to see this.
So this is the preview of Bronze Diesel 2.
Oh.
Let's see him in the box. Let's see what he looks like.
Bronze Diesel here.
So that means
It's not
you
bronze,
have...
it's bronze. Oh, special edition trains! Dad, did you know these guys came in a free pack?
He did.
Yeah. I saw it on the movie on eBay. But I think I'll never get them on eBay. But I got them. No, I got this one in the mail and these two in the package.
Lots of
And
trains
I-
in the background.
The super dance. And that's it for today, folks. I hope you come soon to see my previews with my special edition engines.